Hi, my name is Andrew. You are about to discover the methods and techniques used by the most successful Facebook advertisers. You too can profit and succeed by unlocking Facebook for unlimited targeted traffic that puts money in your pocket. There are over 2 billion people who log in to Facebook every single day. They share updates with their families, friends, and acquaintances. But did you know, they also buy billions of dollars worth of products and services just from the ads they see on Facebook. Would you like to tap into this billion-dollar industry and grow your business like there is no tomorrow? Well, targeted traffic that converts is the lifeblood to your business. The more targeted your traffic, the more likely your traffic is to convert. In this era, do you want to wait and waste your time before you can see meaningful results? Let's cut short and speed these up. What if you can see traffic start flowing within minutes? Discover how to find targeted traffic sources faster. See what is working and what is not, without wasting a lot of effort and time. Begin to profit today or even hours in some cases, not weeks or months. And scale it up to as big as you want, hundreds and even thousands of dollars per day in profit. Okay. Targeted traffic is the key to success and Facebook advertising is the game changer, but, unfortunately, there is a problem. Although Facebook is arguably one of the best traffic sources available for marketing online today, the devil is in the details. If you do not have the right guidance, it is easy to do things wrong and not see the type of results that you want. Some marketers even lose money because they try to wing it with Facebook ads. Have you ever bought traffic and seen this? Or, what if you could buy traffic and see this? Which do you prefer? When you know how to unlock the power of Facebook ads the right way, you are likely to see results you want. It is obvious there is a huge opportunity to profit with Facebook, only if you have the keys to success with Facebook. That is why I have put together a step-by-step, easy-to-follow system that will walk you through every step of advertising effectively on Facebook, even if you are a newbie. Introducing Facebook Ads Mastery System, the ultimate guide to success for Facebook marketers. This system is separated into 10 individual sections for effective learning. You will benefit so much and get everything you need to start running profitable Facebook ads campaigns today. After you go through this easy-to-follow, in-depth training, you will be an expert at Facebook ads, even if you have never run an online ad before in your life. This sounds great, how much? You've probably seen there are some guys selling seats for Facebook ads training for as much as $1,000. Initially, I thought about turning this into a coaching system too. But most people that really need this cannot afford that sort of price point. After all, the skill you learn inside is easily worth that. Consider how much you will save on your advertising campaigns and how much profit you will make from what is inside. And remember that, this knowledge will be yours forever. That is why, for a very limited time, you can get access to the Facebook Ads Mastery System for the low one-time investment today. And again, I want you to test drive the system on my dime for the next 30 days. I do not want skepticism to hold you back from making a decision that could make a big change in your life and your business for the better. That is why you are going to get the opportunity to use the Facebook Ads Mastery System for the next 30 days with no risk. After you download the system and use what you learn inside to drive traffic with Facebook. If for any reason or even no reason at all, you are not 100% satisfied with what you learn inside, simply let me know, and I will promptly refund every single penny of your tiny investment. At this point, it is pretty obvious that the only way you lose is by not getting your hands on the Facebook Ads Mastery System. If you are currently marketing on Facebook, you plan to in the future, or you are just looking for a source of reliable, high-quality traffic that converts, you owe it to yourself to get your hands on this today. In fact, you can be using what you learn inside the system to begin using Facebook to drive hordes of high-quality targeted traffic as soon as today. Remember, I cannot guarantee that if you wait and come back later, the price would not be higher or that this offer will even still be available. Click the button below and get instant access to become the master of Facebook advertising expert now.